If you do have a puncture on your scooter and you need to get access to the inner tube, then you will need to remove the wheel from the scooter. There's a separate video showing you how to do that. Once the wheel is off the scooter, you just need a pair of tyre levers to take the tyre off the wheel. If you have a helper as well, it's useful to have a helper to hold the wheel, and it's also easier to get the tyre off the wheel if you have wide tyre levers such as these Park Tool ones that we're using here. So just take the tyre lever, put it under the tyre and prise it up, and then put the second one a couple of inches further along and do the same. And then that's off the rim, and you can use a tyre lever to do the rest, or you can just use your hands. Then that tyre is now off the rim, and then you can get access to the inner tube. So you can then take the inner tube out, replace it, or patch the hole, and then put it back in. To put the tyre back on the wheel, it's actually a lot easier. You don't actually need the tyre levers, so you just put it back in. Make sure that the wheel rim is in the centre of the wheel, or the tyre rim, sorry, is in the centre of the wheel. This gives you more space to actually get the tyre over the edge, and you just hold one end and move the other end over, he says. And that's it. That's done. Back on, and then put it back on the scooter, and away you go. Once the puncture is repaired, the removal. Once you've repaired the puncture, you can mount the wheel back into the scooter. It's exactly a reversal of the removal process. First of all, you put on the end plates, then you mount the wheel back in the scooter and do up all the various bolts and the disc brake unit.